Hey tech heads, today in tech news, we've got a shining star making waves on the NASDAQ, SolarWinds. That's right, this provider of information technology management solutions saw its shares skyrocket, a jaw-dropping 21.8% in just one trading session, closing at $18.31. While some might say the sun shines on the just for this IT management software provider, you might wonder why the bright spotlight. So let's peel back the layers. A good chunk of SolarWinds' recent ascent is thanks to its subscription-first strategy, which has shown results as impressive as spotting Bigfoot riding a unicorn. It has driven substantial growth in subscription and annual recurring revenue, increased adoption of its observability solutions, and boasted high customer retention. With a broad and diversified customer base, it's like having a rainbow of currencies pouring into their coffers. Yay for profitability! But what has analysts particularly buzzing are the projections. SolarWinds is expected to post quarterly earnings of 27 cents per share, which marks a robust 12.5% increase from the same quarter last year. Couple that with forecasted revenues of $202.82 million, up 2.4% year-on-year, and you've got a real case for ringing the celebratory bells. These expectations seem to anchor on strong foundations. But that's not all, folks. Wall Street analysts are cranking up the hype machine. They're exploring core metrics that have them scrambling for their calculators. Quick math break, anyone? Analysts pegged total recurring revenue to hit a whopping $192.68 million, which would be up 5.4% from last year. Can we get a high five for consistent growth? Breaking things down further, revenue subscription should clock in at $82.23 million, a stellar 21.4% increase. Not all news can be sunshine, though. Revenue maintenance might dip by 5.1%, reigning slightly on the SolarWinds parade, while revenue license is predicted to tumble further by 25.5%. And yet, like your favorite superhero flick, there's always redemption. The shining part of the Solar Show, subscription ARR zooming to a mountainous $306,525 compared to $233,176. Sweet. So, for those asking if SolarWinds can maintain this velocity, the stock still maintains a respectable Zacks rank of number 2. It's been kissed by the trading fairies lately, outperforming the Zacks S&P 500 with a gain of 32.8% over the past month, zipping through skies that normally see just a 2.1% gain. In conclusion, SolarWinds might not be guiding actual satellites, but in the financial cosmos, it's sailing as one radiant celestial body. Investors, take note, though keep those eyes wide for any winds of change. Would you consider joining the SolarWinds convoy, or is this one whirlwind you'll simply enjoy from afar? Whatever your stance, tech amigos, it's certainly one to watch. Thanks for watching to the end. Remember, this is just one story from our full daily show, which includes all the other news and an analysis of the day's tech market activity. If you found this video interesting or insightful, then please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support is greatly appreciated. Catch you later.